Hi everyone, I'm here to do some Heggerty exercises with you. Let's start with blending. I'll say each sound, you repeat the sounds, and then we'll blend the word together. Here we go. S, l, a, sleigh. S, l, e, k, sleek. St, e, p, steep. Sk, a, l, scale. St, o, n, stone. S, w, a, sway. Sk, o, p, scope. Good. All right. Now we're going to segment words. So I'm going to say the word, and then you are going to chop it into its individual sounds. Sneeze. S-n-e-z. Smile. S-m-i-l. Slide. S-l-i-d. Speak. S-p-e-k. Snail. S-n-a-l. Spider. This is a long one. S-p-i-d-er. Good work. All right, get your fists ready because we're going to substitute phonemes. Here we go. The word is slope. Change sl to sk. Scope. The word is snow. Change sn to sl. Slow. The word is sweep. Change sw to st. Steep. The word is speak. Change sp to sn. Sneak. The word is slice. Change sl to sp. Spice. Good. All right, now we're going to add phonemes. We're going to start with the ending part of the word. We're adding a s sound to create a blend that will scoop at the beginning. The word is weep. Add s to the beginning. Sweep. Sweep. I want you to hear that blend. So sweep. The word is peak. Add s to the beginning. Speak. The word is lice. Add s to the beginning. Slice. The word is low. Add s to the beginning. Slow. The word is cape. Add s to the beginning. Scape. Good. Now we're going to delete phonemes. So we'll start with the whole word and remove just the s sound. So these words are all going to begin with the blend, and we're just removing the s. The word is swipe. Without s, the word is wipe. The word is spy. Without s, the word is pie. The word is stone. Without s, the word is tone. The word is sway. Without s, the word is way. The word is spine. Without s, the word is pine. Nice job today.